Hello, Ma'am Gracia. My name is Tudor Cedric Provito, and my video recitation is all about the three theories. Each theories will be introduced as the video goes on. But without wasting any more time, let us begin with our first theories. Let's start with Imogen King and her theory of goal attainment. Imogen King was born in 1923 and developed the theory of goal attainment in the early 1960s. The theory emphasizes the nurse-patient relationship. It is a dynamic interpersonal process where both nurse and patient works together to achieve a health-related goal. Now for the major concepts. First is the personal system. It focuses on the individual, including concepts such as the self, perception, growth, and self-image. Second one is the interpersonal system. It focuses on the interaction between two or more individuals. It includes communications, roles, and stress. Lastly is the social system. Social system focuses on a larger system that influences the individual. This may include authority, status, and decision making. Now, let's move on to the four meta paradigm. For person, King defined a person as someone who is capable of feeling, choosing, thinking, and decision making all by their own. Next is health. She defined health as a dynamic life experience and continuous adjustment to stressor through optimal resources. This suggests that health is not a static, but something that changes constantly. Next is the environment. Environment is the relation between human interaction involving both internal and external aspects. Lastly is a nurse. Nurse is defined as a process of action, reaction, and interaction between a nurse and patient, where both share information to perceive a situation and think of strategies to achieve a health-related goal. And that is all for Imogen King and her theory of goal attainment.